The United Arab Emirates, a fairy tale of 1001 nights, situated on the Arabian Peninsula between the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Hormuz, the United Arab Emirates is a paradise for tourists. In our program, Places to Travel, we will be exploring Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Landmark tourist attractions such as the towering Burj Khalifa, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, Global Village and the Ferrari World makes UAE a bliss for tourists. The Emirates offers a rich show of culture and Bedouin traditions with a host of desert activities and amazing cuisines. There are many reasons to visit the Emirates, but I will stick to the most fascinating attractions. The Burj Khalifa is an architectural wonder of Dubai. Not only is it the world's tallest building, it also lays claim to the titles of tallest freestanding structure in the world, highest observation deck in the world, and elevator with the longest travel distance in the world. A trip onto the observation deck for a 360-degree view of glittering Dubai is a sightseeing wonder. At the foots of Burj Khalifa is the Dubai Mall, listed as world's second largest mall by total land area. But what makes Burj Khalifa a must-see structure is the exciting light and fountain show along its side. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is located in Abu Dhabi. It stands out as one of the world's largest mosques and without a doubt the most beautiful one. With a capacity of over 40,000 people, the mosque attracts tourists from all over the world. Known as the White Pearl of the Gulf, Sheikh Zayed Mosque is one of the most imposing structures of UAE. With its interiors using lavish amount of gold, beautiful flower patterned walls, gold plated chandeliers and the world's largest loom carpet, the structure never fails to dazzle. The Ferrari World is an indoor amusement park located on the Yas Island in Abu Dhabi. It might be one of the most adventurous theme parks in the world. It is the world's largest indoor theme park with 37 record-breaking rides, including world's fastest roller coaster that reaches speeds of 240 km per hour. And then there is the G-Force experience that takes you on a ride up through to the roof of the park. Dubai's Garden Glow is the world's first unique theme garden and is made up of three iconic zones: the Glow Park, Dinosaur Park and the Ice Park. The park features dazzling installation and sculptures created by artists from across the globe, which illuminate the park using over 100 million energy-saving LED lights and yards of recycled luminous fabrics. The Dinosaur Park is the biggest dinosaur park that displays more than 120 animatronic dinosaurs. The Desert Safari at Al Ain offers a unique experience to spend an evening at the traditional Bedouin camp. The Desert Safari takes you to an exciting drive over the vast expanses of sand dunes, a camel ride, watch the sunset from high dunes, and finally, after the sunset, settle in the camp under the starry desert nights for a mesmerizing performance of the traditional belly dance. If you are an Indian, visiting the Bollywood Park on the outskirts of Dubai is a must-do thing in the itinerary. Bollywood Park is the first theme park in the world dedicated to the Mumbai film industry. It is a celebration of Indian culture through live entertainment, stage performances, daring rides full of action, adventure, romance, comedy, music, dance and full of emotions, typical Bollywood style. The Global Village is a unique and integrated destination and offers a wide range of events, shows and activities that are the largest and most varied in the region. Global Village combines the world's 90 countries' cultures at one place and is considered to be the world's largest tourism, entertainment and shopping project. The stunt show in the Global Village is simply breathtaking.
Starts the turbine. And hurry!
Dubai is known as the City of Gold. Dubai is the largest gold market in the world. The Dubai Gold Sock is host to the largest ring in the world, weighing 64 kilograms. Visiting the iconic Gold Sock is a must for anyone visiting the Emirates, and also purchasing gold, as at times the difference in prices with some countries, especially those that tax gold, may go up to 25% or even more.